listen to this track, bitch.
Yeah. Slide that way to fly away. For anything. Paperweight. Paper plates. 150 on the ice skates.
See, the title of this video is called Reacting to the Racist Coffee Machine. So basically it's about this coffee machine that doesn't work for a Caucasian person. But then it works for a Chinese person. But then it's like a whole bunch of different stuff. So that's what we're about to react to. And what's up? So as you can see, we're about to watch Our Coffee Machine is Racist. So let's get into this video.
I'm cold, guys. Don't mind my blanket.
So, I thought yesterday was Monday and also the day before that. So basically, I've been here for 3 Mondays.
You should see a doctor about that. See ya.
Bye. Hey, Shane.
Hey, Olivia. Great. It's broken.
Flitch just got coffee.
Oh, then he's the one who broke it.
Let me try.
Oh, hey, Courtney.
I'm saving my personality for camera. I'm about to shoot a vlog.
Wait, is that cup empty?
Yes, sir.
It worked for Flitz and Olivia. It won't work for me or Courtney. Oh my god. The coffee machine is racist! Against white people! I need your help.
Yeah, totally, man. Okay, so we're gonna need twice as much weight as we think because when the human body dies, it bloats and then it floats in water and it
No. I think the coffee machine is racist. Against white people.
It probably is.
Well, can you make a cup of coffee to test it out?
No, I don't drink coffee because caffeine's a drug.
I don't need you to drink it. I just, I need you to go and press the buttons and say,
Caffeine! It's a drug!
Don't you smoke a bunch?
Okay.
Weed? Keith, can you go get me coffee?
No.
You don't understand, it's because you're black.
Excuse me?
I can't get coffee because I'm white, so I need you, a black person, to go get coffee for me.
You know what? It's too early for this.
Racism is ruining my day!
Coffee machine worked just fine for me.
How?
Well, it was simple, really. All I had to do was make the selection, and the machine brewed me a nice hot cup of Colombian gold.
You're telling me the coffee machine brews gold?
What? No, are you high?
I'm not finna play with him.
Can you make me another cup of coffee?
Yes, I can.
While I watch.
Yes, I perform better with an audience.
That's weird.
Now, if you'll notice, I hit coffee drinks, Colombian, small, regular, go. Oh.
Wait, but if the coffee machine is racist, against white people,
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
and it got Ian to brew him coffee, then that means Ian, you're black!
Ian is black.
Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black.
I'm tired of everyone being racist towards white people! Do you know how hard it is to be a white man in America?
Yo, you gotta dial it down, Shane.
Even though Pepsin does help with the heartburn. Oh, how about this? The other day, I was pulled over by a cop for no apparent reason other than my registration was expired, and he helped renew it for me, which was very nice of him. What else? Politics. No. My salary. No. Acting jobs. Definitely not. Definitely no. I'm straight crushing it. Oh, but the coffee machine! The coffee machine is 100% racist against white people!
Are you sure you're doing it right?
Of course I'm doing it right, Olivia. I'm a white man. I press coffee, espresso, small, strong, cancel, duh.
You're supposed to press go, not cancel.
They're not the same? Well, what about Courtney? You wouldn't give her coffee?
I don't want coffee. I like empty cups. There's a hopefulness to an empty cup. You can put anything in it. God bless.
Oh. Well then, I guess we're good. I'd appreciate it if we didn't tell anybody else about
I
this.
already called HR.
I completely understand. Coffee, espresso, small, strong, go. Yes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We're gonna keep trying out new stuff, so if you enjoyed this type of
Okay, so that was
now,
stupid.
what we gotta do is we gotta go set up the camera.
Look on your face, so I stay.